How does a fish travel thousands of miles just to get back home? Meet the salmon, nature's marathon swimmer. It all starts in a quiet river where tiny salmon hatch and grow. They head to the ocean, growing stronger on krill and fish. Then, against all odds, they return home, leaping waterfalls, dodging predators. They spawn, and most die. But their journey feeds the entire ecosystem. They're not just fish, they're lifelines for rivers, forests, and wildlife. Love nature's wild stories? Like, share and follow. Let's keep exploring together.